Today I'm making something special for me and for you. And while I'm painting it, I think you will get the idea what it is going to be. For this occasion, I'm starting new watercolor set. And applying this sample paper to watercolor set box, so I can see which pigments are where. I have everything ready: watercolors, water, mixing palette, brushes, and my paper. Some already know that I'm working on a book for some while, but new followers here don't know that. And today I will be painting. As for my book cover reveal, I will be painting cover of my book. This book, well, it's been a dream in the making for some time. Watercolor Wisdom with 50 guided projects is more than just a how-to book, it's a creative companion. Each page holds a project carefully designed to build your confidence, teach you beautiful watercolor techniques, and help you fall in love with the process of painting. Inside, you'll find step-by-step guidances, high-quality watercolor paper with printed outlines, how cool is that? And QR codes for each project with a full video tutorial. It's truly interactive. I created this for you. Whether you're beginning or returning to painting after years, I want you to feel supported, inspired, and encouraged with every brushstroke. This book is my invitation to you. Slow down, create, and enjoy the process. Book cover shows you one of the projects that is inside the book. It's a little bit more advanced and it's closer to the end of the project. Well, I was a little bit skeptical about this project, but I kind of like it, and I think it's so special moment to paint my own cover of the book. I can't express with words how special this book cover painting process was for me, and having children right beside, and by the end of the day we caught this golden hour to apply golden letters of the title of the book. My fellow artist from home, Watercolors by Sanyana, she sent me over these amazing golden shiny pigments, which amazingly complements this book cover. And also actual book will have gold foiling of the title on the cover, so everything together comes beautifully and really thought through. Cover is done, and it's so interesting that while I was painting these words, letters, and especially this line, I realized this is an amazing practice for brush control. So this is something you can also do. Just write random letters or maybe words and then try to color in. You will be surprised how much you need to concentrate in order to stay in lines, to make them straight or beautifully curved. Well, my cover is done, And with this cover reveal, I'm also telling you about my book. On May 5th, the pre-orders will open, and this is my first book that I poured love in for 1.5 years into making, and a little bit more over 2 years into dreaming. So hope you will like it.